Hello everyone and welcome to our latest update on SpreadsheetWeb. I'm excited to walk you through some of the newest features and enhancements that have just been released. First up, accessing the API toolkit has never been easier. Whether you're working on a designer application or a web service app, you can now find the API toolkit button directly on the Edit App page. With the API toolkit, you have the flexibility to select inputs, add values, and retrieve outputs simply by clicking the Calculate button. This makes integrating and automating your applications straightforward and user-friendly. One of the key updates in this release is the new transaction date checkbox. This feature allows you to filter transactions by the date, providing you with precision control over the data you work with. You can choose to filter by date or continue using the traditional transaction drop-down, but remember, only one method can be active at a time. Another exciting addition is the enhancement of tagging options within the API toolkit. This new functionality mimics the action button in the designer apps, allowing you to assign tags when saving a record directly through the API. As we wrap up, don't forget that you can even export your calculations to Postman for API testing process. Join SpreadsheetWeb Hub to simplify your work.